at my fucking skins. Give me a sec.
All the shaders.
Yeah.
Hey, Lamau.
Yep.
Hey, the mouse.
I can see through a wall in PUBG right now.
Damn.
I am crouched in a corner with a guy around me, and I can see through the east wall. Should I feel bad that I'm gonna glitch the fuck out of this kid? No.
Are you gonna do it anyway?
Yes.
Yeah.
He's in the building. He's not coming toward me. We got 17 left. Zone's coming in.
I know, I forget to turn off my wall hacks too sometimes.
I don't know if he can see my, I don't know if he can see me poking through the wall though, you know? Cause I can see, I'm crouched against two walls, and I can see out the east one. As if I don't know. I'm recording it though. That probably get me banned. For something a glitch I didn't do. He threw like 4 grenades though, it's pretty funny.
I need to get one more crucible win. Who's with me?
Mish and I are about to start in a couple minutes here.
You guys are doing what?
Crucible.
The fuck?
I gotta play
Without
two competitive
me?
matches. Yeah, man.
The fuck? Alright, might be the next one.
I don't know, we haven't even started one yet.
Cool.
I had 9,000. Only 9,000 people to go talk to now. It was 10,000. Alright, I'm on the last one. We almost there.
Dude, I love this fucking Nebula Rose skin. It's too good.
Are you guys gonna do the fire team medallion?
Fire Team Medallion? Which one is that?
I can get some.
They're only 55. They're only 50 bright dust.
281 pulse rifle, dad.
Oh, papi.
He was looking right at me. I don't know if he can.
Who the fuck plays that noob game anymore, man?
He's looking right at me. Oh, he just got panned. 2 other people are shooting at him now.
Oh man, I'm 277 light. Fuck.
I'm 280.
Damn girl.
Oh, only if I put my shitty stuff on.
Yeah, I say that I probably wouldn't use most of the
My
stuff
Red
for
King
it.
is 291, and I'm still sour because it sucks.
It does it?
Yeah, it's fucking
Is
terrible,
it
dude.
good when a bunch of people use it?
It's decent. It's okay. It's not
It's
like
good in the raid.
it's not. Yeah, not good. We're gonna do the raid tomorrow.
I don't think we're gonna have enough people at 280.
Good if I
Well, I think I will. But are we gonna have 6? I
was it you, me, Knight?
don't know. Dr. Kush.
I have a couple of people that are 290, 280, 290.
Wheeler's never on at nighttime, so we can't use him.
Wheeler is 265 or 270, something like that.
I just need to grind a little bit.
All right, Bush. I am finally ready. And Wookie.
Wookie, join our fire team.
I'm already in.
Who is the captain?
Oh,
Oh,
there you
yeah.
are. Yo, nice. Oh, look at that fucking emote, man. It's cool.
Crucible, we going,
Put
boys.
down on me.
Oh, nice icon there, Wookie.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, yo, I can't. I didn't even want to play after I got this because I was like, I think I've plateaued. I don't think I can do any better than this.
Did you do competitive? No, you gotta do competitive.
Oh, it has to be competitive?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Sorry, I love you.
That's right.
Wait.
Yes! Oh. Winner, winner. Solos. Nice, dude. Oh. Fucking recorded that, too. Whew.
Defeated one. Okay, I'm going for it.